Do plants consume oxygen at night, and are they harmful for the bedroom? Scientific fact or just a myth? Have you ever heard that keeping plants in your bedroom can be dangerous because they consume oxygen at night, which might lead to suffocation? But is this really true, or is it just an old myth? In this video, we'll uncover the real science behind how much oxygen plants actually use at night, and whether it affects your health. Stay with me till the end. How do plants breathe and photosynthesize? To understand this topic better, let's first see how plants function. During the day, plants perform photosynthesis, meaning they absorb carbon dioxide CO2 and release oxygen O2. They use sunlight to produce energy. They release more oxygen than they consume. At night, photosynthesis stops because there is no sunlight. Plants, like all living beings, consume oxygen and release small amounts of carbon dioxide. But is this oxygen consumption significant? Let's compare. Comparing oxygen consumption, humans versus plants. A human consumes around 225 milliliters of oxygen per hour. A medium-sized houseplant, like a ficus, consumes only 2 to 3 milliliters of oxygen per hour. This means you need over 100 large plants in a small, closed room before oxygen levels are even slightly affected. So, plants pose absolutely no risk to your oxygen supply at night. Instead, they help purify the air and create a relaxing environment. Plants that release oxygen even at night. Some plants continue producing oxygen at night, making them perfect for bedrooms. One, snake plant Sansevieria. Releases oxygen at night wind face. Purifies the air dashing away. Extremely low maintenance. Two, Aloe Vera. Produces oxygen overnight. Increases humidity sweat droplets. Has healing properties for skin. 3. Orchid. Emits oxygen at night. Adds beauty to your room. Helps improve sleep quality. 4. Areca Palm. One of the best air-purifying plants. Increases oxygen levels. Balances room humidity. Common myths about bedroom plants. Myth: plants cause oxygen deficiency and suffocation at night. Truth: the amount of oxygen plants use is so small that it has zero impact on human breathing. Myth: all plants release only carbon dioxide at night. Truth: some plants, like snake plants, aloe vera, and orchids, still release oxygen during the night. Myth: keeping plants in the bedroom is unhealthy. Truth: plants purify the air, reduce pollutants, increase humidity, and create a calming atmosphere, leading to better sleep. Conclusion. Are plants dangerous for the bedroom? Absolutely not. Plants are not harmful. In fact, they improve air quality, increase oxygen levels, and reduce stress. So, if you've ever believed that keeping plants in your bedroom is unsafe, you can now relax and add some beneficial plants to your space. Do you have plants in your bedroom? Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more plant-related videos.